like little children.
Could they be the miners?
Oh, sure. I mean, they're like 3 years old.
Miners, not miners.
You lost me.
I don't like this. I don't like this at all.
They are so cute.
Sure, they're cute now. But in a second, they're gonna get mean. And they're gonna get ugly somehow. And there's gonna be a million more of them.
Look. There's a little hurt one. Hi. Hi there, God.
Did you guys ever watch the show?
See, they're gonna help the little hurt one.
I'm so sick of being right.
Let's get out of here before one of those things kills Guy.
Wait a minute. We're not going anywhere without a beryllium sphere. We need a plan. Fred, I need a diversion to clear the compound of those things. Then Alex and Gwen and I will go get a sphere. Tommy, get up on that ridge. If you see him come back, give me a signal, all right?
Why does this sound so familiar?
Assault on Voltrex 3, episode 81.
We're doing episode 81.
Whatever. The one with the hologram, the wall of fire.
Well, how the hell is Fred supposed to project a hologram?
Are we doing episode 81 or
It's
not?
just a rough plan, guy. What difference does it make if it's episode 81 or not?
Because I died at episode 81!
Episode 51, right?
51.
Look, Chris. Why are you listening to this fellow? May I remind you, he's wearing a costume, not a uniform. He's no more equipped to lead us than this fellow. No offense.
Look, they're gone.
Where'd they go? Back inside?
I don't know.
Nobody was watching.
All right. Listen up. Here's the plan. Gwen, Fred, Alex, and I will go down and get a sphere. Fleegman, you set up a perimeter, and Tommy, your lookout. You see anything at all, you give us a signal, all right?
What kind of a signal?
Any kind of signal.
Okay, I'll do my hands like this.
Call! Call! What are you, an infant? Look, we have these.
Sorry.
All right, let's go.
Oh!
Does the rolling help?
It helps.
Where's your gun?
It helps. Oh.
Never give up. Never surrender.
Shut up.
Oh, Jason! They're coming as thousands of them, Jason! Run, Jason, run! They're coming from everywhere! Run! They're everywhere! Jason! They're everywhere! They're everywhere!
Come on, let's go.
They're coming! Hurry!
Don't look back. Not look back.
We're not gonna make it! Oh, God! Hurry! Hurry! This one's gonna kill me!
Go. Come on. Push it. All right, let's go, Tommy.
I got it, but it's gonna take a few seconds! I got it!
Go ahead!
There's no time. Get in.
I forgot you've got to be the hero, haven't you? Heaven forbid anybody else gets the spotlight. Oh, no. Jason Nesbitt.
Jason! Jason, come on! Hurry!
I'm on it!
Tommy, go. Go, I'm in.
No! Jason, please! Tommy, stop the bus! Stop it!
But I can't stop it! It's on autopilot! Go! Leave him!
No!
All right. Of course, it's always about you, isn't it?
Yeah.